In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Google Play Pass subscription. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Play Store on your device. You can see over here Google Play Store has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is tap on your profile picture icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. At last, you'll be able to find this option for Play Pass. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the pricing over here. Also, you'll be able to see the features like over 1000 games, no ads, no in-app purchases, etc. So if you want to buy it, tap on this option, get started, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to add the payment method. Tap on this option, add credit or debit card, that you can see on the screen. Now due to privacy reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. What you have to do is enter the card details over here. Enter the card number, expiration date and security code. Also enter the address. After you do that, at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for save card. Tap on it. Now, if your details are correct, your card will be saved and you'll be able to use this card as the payment method. Wait for the transaction to be completed. After the transaction is completed, what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts in order to complete the purchase. Once the purchase is completed, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits offered by the Google Play Pass. So that is how you buy Google Play Pass subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.